Hey class, my name is James Getz and I'm an undergraduate student of business management here at CSUN. I'm here today to convince you to add me to your group for the final project. I'm really enjoying this class so far and have been doing great on the assignments. First, I'm going to start off by giving you a little bit of information, some background on myself, and then tell you the reasons why I believe that I'm the perfect fit for your group. I'm 22 years old and was born and raised in Los Angeles. I've been working since I was 15 and I love all aspects of business. I even started my own company when I was 20 years old, and after a few months was in meetings with venture capitalists multiple times a week, proposing different ideas, getting my presentation skills down. It was a great experience. I recently traveled to Israel to learn about the country and why they're the #1 nation in startup capital. I was on Israeli national news for being my company's leader and for having a great presentation. Now, I work for a non-profit organization teaching and supporting young adults with autism spectrum disorder, cerebral palsy, as well as other cognitive disabilities. I'm responsible for a lot. I present weekly vocational workshops where I create presentations on how to get a job, entrepreneurship skills, as well as micro-enterprise skills. I'm also a coordinator of a new program at West Los Angeles Community College where we coach college students with disabilities on campus and integrate them into this whole new world of independence. On any given week, I'm on various Microsoft Suite programs such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. I work on Photoshop, Constant Contact, and many other programs. I'm very tech savvy. I believe that I'm the perfect fit for your group because I have lots of dynamic business experience. I have a great track record of taking care of my responsibilities. If you look at the final project, our group's going to need to complete an incident report, an ethics report, a proposal, and a presentation, all from the eyes of an ethical consulting firm. I actually happen to have a lot of experience in consulting, as it was one of my job responsibilities in a prior company that I worked for. I plan on being very accessible, obviously, to my group members. I'm going to give everybody my email and my phone number. The project seems like it's really fun and I look forward to working together to achieve an A. It's a big portion of our grade. I have Skype. I'm definitely down to meet up at my apartment, anybody else's house, and really get this done and get a great grade. I hope that you've enjoyed my video resume. Have a great day.